So I knew a gal who, she would test water skis for a living, and this is the type of day that she would do it. She'd wear a wetsuit, and it's so calm. What a perfect day to test water skis on Lake Stevens.
Well, I guess if you're wearing a wetsuit, who cares if it's this cold?
Yeah, exactly.
So, hi, I'm John Haynes.
And I'm Misty Huff.
And we're Haynes Huff Properties, and today we're in Lake Stevens.
Beautiful Lake Stevens, and our listing that we're gonna go to today is just a half a mile away from the lake in this wonderful park.
So since it's so nice out, why don't we just walk up?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
We'll see you there. That took no time at all to get up here from the lake.
Well, it's actually only a half mile from here to the lake. And what I also like is you're pretty much right in between Highway 9 and old downtown Lake Stevens.
Oh yeah, it is.
So you're right smack in the middle with the lake.
This house was built in 2020, and it was built by D.R. Horton, to D.R. Horton build.
Well, it's funny up here in Lake Stevens, there's so much new construction that you really start getting an idea of the different types of builds by different types of builders. And just the details, like for instance, look at the staircase, right? Like a lot of builders would just put the straight pony wall in with drywall, but they put the nice banister in. I mean, look at the square nose with the overhang, and you know how I love hard surface floors.
Yes,
right?
these are beautiful too.
Yeah, it's just a detail you don't find in everything.
And the backsplash goes all the way up to the bottom of the cabinet.
Which is nice that you don't have the 6-inch backsplash, right?
Yes, yes.
So, and then, you know, little touches too. I know it's becoming more and more common, but the soft close drawers, they're not stapled, they're dovetailed, right? And you actually have a gas fireplace, not electric.
Yes, that is nice. Yeah. So if you're looking for a home with room for everyone,
or any home in the Puget Sound area, give us a call.